Presiden rang bak do jang United Democratic Party ubak met bak ling do akajing kendo mat kilat pathai ko bor hinin kasngi ka khandai tarik uyayong ula ong bakajing lap election jang Kiwei ki party umran por ban pet benia ni bishar bat ka por ka ba ukhampen bon ka por ban pelet jingmut na ka banta Kyrtong ka party shu halor ka jingjah nin kasngi sning ha ka lap election jang ka NPP ka balami ka jingklumar na ka liang jang ula ong bakinu ki political party ki badan ha ka hok ban campaign bat ulap ba ka ka bajamenin ka long ka ka bombs no tanan
How did it started about also I think it will be unfair for me to say anything. But during the polling, I think everybody, any political parties have the right to campaign for the candidate, and everybody should give them that right to whether candidate or whoever campaigning for them, the platform where they can express or whatever they want to address to the people for their own candidate. Democratic rights. This is my perspective. I think I do not spend any time to look for other political parties. This is what they are doing.
But do you
Our concerns is about our own politics. So as of now, we are doing quite well on the ground, and people do expect us to reach to each and every corner of the Shillong parliamentary seat constituencies, and we are doing that right now.
But